Hello, all my chefs and chefettes. It's the culinary artist, Chef Paul, in the Chaney kitchen again, cooking up another Instant Pot recipe. Today, we're going with fajita steaks. Oh yeah. But first, let me give a shout out to one of my co-workers, Bam Bam. She sent me a message earlier this week. She said, Paul, I got a delectable dish that I think I want to try. Have you ever tried it? I said, Paul, have you ever tried that? No, I haven't. So I told her, I said, hey, I'm going to give you a secret. So I gave her a little secret. And then, you know what? She put together one heck of a dish. She sent me a picture of it afterwards. And after I saw her picture, it inspired me. I said, you know what? End of the week, I'm going to try it. So what I have today, I got my skirt steak right here. I got my green pepper, my red onion, my red pepper, red bell pepper, my fajita steak seasoning, my beef broth, and I got some ingredients right here, my accent, my Lowry's, and my pepper. What I'm going to do, I'm going to season my meat. Once I get it seasoned, I'm going to cut up my vegetables. Once I get all my vegetables cut up, we're going into the Instant Pot for about 35 minutes. Oh man. And after those 35 minutes, that fajita steak is going to come out and we're going to be ready to build us some fajitas. So just stick with me and we're going to have a good time today. All right. Cooking with the culinary artist, Chef Paul in the Chaney kitchen. So, are we ready to get started? I got my meat and it's marinated. I got my red bell peppers cut up. I got my onions sliced. Also, I got my green peppers sliced and ready to go. I got my beef broth and I got my fajita seasoning. So let's go ahead and get this meat right here, right there into the Instant Pot. We're going to put our green peppers. We're going to put our onions, move them around a little bit. We're going to put our red bell peppers in. We're going to take our beef broth, pour that right in. And we have our old El Paso. We're going to add that in also. We'll just take that, sprinkle that around like that. Get rid of it. And take our lid. You hear that sound? Got it locked. We're going to take it for meat. And we're going to go up to 35 minutes. Once we have that on, and then we're ready. All right, you hear it going? It's ready. So 35 minutes, this is going to cook. When it comes out, we're going to be ready. We're going to make some fajitas today. Yes! I'm so excited. I can't wait to catch that aroma and those flavors coming out once we pull that lid off. I know Bam Bam said hers was good, so we're going to make sure ours is just as good. All right, we'll be right back with you. All right, my chefs and chefettes, my Instant Pot is done. Been right at about 35 minutes. Plus, I let it sit for a few minutes while I kept it on low. So we're going to go ahead, open that up. Oh man. And when you open it up, you see the bright colors from the red bell peppers, the onions, the green peppers. So what we're going to do, we're going to pull out the Instant Pot. And we're going to transfer get all those peppers out. Put this right back here. Just going to grab our fork and our knife. And we're going to do a quick taste test. Just the aroma that's coming off, wow. Oh man, it's so tender too. It just cut right through it. I really didn't even need the knife. Oh yeah, I can just pull that right apart. Just gonna grab a little bit and just do a quick taste test. Ooh, it's still hot. Set my fork down. Ooh. Mmm. 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 Finger looking good. It's not KFC. It's PAC, Paul Allen Chaney. But that is good. Oh man. So what we're going to do now, we're just going to shred the meat up a little bit. Going to continue to let it soak in those juices. Those vegetables are still right there on top. And then I'm going to heat my grill, warm my shells up, and then I'll come back and dress my fajita, and we're going to be ready to eat. Sounds great, doesn't it? Looks good. Oh man, what a recipe. Bam Bam, I appreciate it. Thank you. All right, chefs, chefettes, I've transferred my meat with the vegetables. I've taken it out of the broth. Just got it right here ready to go. I got my 2 shells, and you see I got a little char grill on them. They're ready. I got my shredded lettuce, my cheese. I got my Daisy sour cream, and of course my Ortega taco sauce. So let's dig into it. So what I'm going to do first, grab some of the meat. Whoa, get that on the shell and not on the counter. Get some of those vegetables. Oh yeah, just a little bit more meat. All right, then we're going to take a little cheese. Sprinkle that cheese across there. Get a little bit of the lettuce. And then we're going to grab just a little sour cream. Get our sour cream right on top of there. And then we're going to add a little bit of our Ortega taco sauce. Oh, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. There it is. And what we're going to do is just fold this over. Take my spoon, just spread my sour cream all the way across. And there we have a beef fajita ready to go. Mmm. Mmm. Oh, that's so good. I gotta get another bite. And you can still see the juice just dripping. Mmm. Not only is it tasty, it's good. That meat has that flavor of the fajita taco seasoning. It's tender. You get the vegetables, the red bell peppers, the green bell peppers. I get a hint of the onions, the red onions. And then you mix it in with the 4 Mexican cheese from Sargento. I got my shredded lettuce. You get some of the sour cream. Oh, I probably could eat 3 or 4 of these, but I'm only going to eat 2. So I thank you guys for joining me again. Just another experience of the Instant Pot at its best use by your culinary artist, Chef Paul, right here in the Chaney kitchen. Till the next time, send me those recipes and I'll definitely give it a try. Deuces, I'm out.